How to fix Steam Cloud Sync error. So to do that, open up your Steam, and after opening your Steam, on the upper left corner you will have an option which says Steam. Click on that, and then you will find an option Settings. Click on Settings, and under Settings go to Downloads, and after going on the downloads you will have an option which says Steam Library Folders. Click on that, and then it will take you to your store manager, and on the right side you will have three dots icon which says Settings. Click on that, and then you will have two options, Browse folder or Repair folder. Click on Repair folder, and then your folder has been repaired. And if this still doesn't work, then check if the Steam is online, if the server on that thing is online. Generally on Thursdays they will be offline, so it would be a difficult thing to do. And if that still doesn't work, then go and check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a internet connection so that you can fix your Steam Cloud Sync error. And those were the few steps through that which you can fix your Steam Cloud Sync error. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.